In this tutorial I will show you how you can turn on the quiet mode on the Instagram app. Quiet mode lets you automatically pause your Instagram notifications every day during the time period you choose. First, open the Instagram app. Then go over to your Instagram profile. Next, tap on the three lines, and then the settings and privacy. Select notification option. So here, open the quiet mode. Here it says they will mute notifications when quiet mode is enabled. You can choose a specific time during the day. By default the time is from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. and in that time all of my Instagram notifications will be muted. So that is how you can enable quiet mode on Instagram.